Welcome to my channel. My name is Ranjan Das, and in this particular video, we'll learn about comments in Python. Why comments are required. So normally, comments are required to make a program more understandable, or I can say comments are used to describe a program. When the program size becomes very large, at that time, it is very difficult to understand a program. So there must be some way to describe the program so that it can be easily understandable. So let us explain through an example. Suppose, for example, let's see, this is my program. This is small program to add two numbers. So is there any facility? Can I give a heading to this program? Suppose, for example, I write here program to add two numbers. So right now I'm giving a heading to this program, but do you think this program is going to work, run? No. Why? Because when I run this program, definitely I will get error. So see here, I'm getting error. So why I'm getting error? Because this first line is not a Python instruction. Okay, it is simply the English sentence. So what I can do here, simply use a hash symbol. So the hash symbol is called as a comment. The statements inside hash symbol is as called as a comment. Right now, whenever you are using the hash, the statement will not interpreted by the interpreter. This will be ignored. And but right now, by reading this line, I can understand why I have written this program. It makes, or we can say like that, this line describes the program. Right now, let me run this program. Right now, no problem at all. Right now, my program can work fine. Okay, just see the output here. 30, no error is there. But suppose, for example, I want to, let's say, describe again, let's say, so whenever you are writing a program, so you must describe it so that when somebody else will see the program, he can easily understand. Suppose, for example, I want to describe here. So what happens here? Let A is assigned to how much? 10. Similarly, I can write B is assigned to 10 like that. I can describe B is assigned to 20 like that. I can describe each step. Okay. Suppose, for example, I want to make all the statements. I don't want to execute any statement. I want to make it all as comments. I can like use has here. I can also use a statement here. Then I can also use here has. Then I can also use here has. I can also use here has. Right now, all the statements are commented. If I run this program, no output I'll get. But my question is there any facility to create multi-line comments in Python? Multiple lines will become commented? The answer is simply no. So whenever you are giving comments, you can use hash symbol. But there sometimes a question comes. Sometimes we see that is the triple quotation is a triple double quotation are used for multi-line comments? No. Suppose, for example, I'll write here the statement print A, print B, print C, and inside triple quotation. Sometimes I will run this program, I will not get any output. If I run this program, definitely I'll run this program, I'll not get any output. So does it mean that, see the output, no output is coming? So does it mean that it is it is a multi-line comment? No. This is simply is a string. Okay, this is a value. Suppose, for example, I write here 10 here. So what will I will run this program. What output will I get? Run this program, run it. So definitely I will not get any output. See the output, no output. But does it mean that 10 is a comment? No. So simply this is a multi-line string. So let me again see another proof. Just see. Suppose, for example, I'll write here. Suppose, for example, I write here. Here I write here has hello. Right now, this will be ignored by the interpreter. No problem. This is a comment. But I write here hello. I'll run this program. So I got as hello. So this is called as a string. That means this statement is not ignored. Okay. It is simply is a value. So we see here that Python does not have any like concept of multi-line comments. but since we are using it as a value, so it is not coming in the output. Okay, so whenever you are using, you want to use a multi-line comments, then better use, or single line comment, then better you can use hash symbol. Okay, so in this particular video, we learn about how to use like comments. Okay, and what are what is single line comment, and like is there any concept of multi-line comment or not? Okay, and so thank you for watching this video, and very soon I will come with the next video. Thank you.